Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Klaviyo for email marketing. Klaviyo review tutorial for beginners. If you're a business owner or a marketer looking to take your email marketing strategy to the next level, Klaviyo is a powerful platform that can help you create, manage, and analyze email campaigns with ease. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to use Klaviyo for email marketing effectively. Now, as you can see right now on our screen, we are currently going to start directly at the dashboard and we are currently at the home page. Let's go and explore a bit on the different features that we can access with Klaviyo, and then we will proceed on how we could create our first email campaign. So as you can see here on our homepage, this is our homepage by the way, you will be able to see different types of information such as your business performance summary, your top performing flows, and your recent campaigns over here. This is where you will be able to notify or see the different statistics of your different activities that you have done in Klaviyo. You can also check out more information about your business performance by clicking on the View Dashboard options over here, and you will be able to see your growth, your campaign performance, your flow performance, and other information over here. Now, to be able to create your first email campaign, you will have to go to campaigns over here on the left side. You could also create flows and different types of forms, as you can see here, like the sign up forms through Klaviyo. But generally, or the main section where you will be able to create your email marketing is through the campaigns over here. As you can see here on our campaign, right now we don't have any yet, but you will be able to see any campaigns that you have created in this section. You will be able to see the type, the status, the last updated, the open rate, click rate, and active on site. You will also have some filters to help you see the specific type of campaign that you are looking for. Now, to be able to create a campaign, you can click it over here on the top right. You can also click on options over here so you can see different information as well. There's also a list view, which is this one, and a calendar view over here if you would like to see which campaigns are running on that specific date or until when. So after that, this is the campaigns. You also have your flows over here. Let's also check out the section for the flow, and this is where you can see it. You will be able to see any flow that you have created in this section, and you could edit them once again once you created them. You could create another flow by clicking on create flow over here on the top right. You can also create your sign up forms over here, which will help you gain some audience or some data about your audience. So you could collect some emails, collect phone numbers, emails and numbers, announcement, know your customers, and other types of templates. You could build or use different templates for your sign up forms, or you could also build it from scratch over here. You could see the different templates over here. All looks very stunning, and I think when using the sign up forms feature of Klaviyo, you could use the template instead of creating a build from scratch. But if you're confident with your artistic ability, you could create it over here as well. Now you also have your audience over here. This is the audience that you are going to be sending your campaigns to. You can click on profiles over here. You will be able to see the emails that you have already in your audience. These are the people that you will be able to send your email campaigns to. And you also have your list and segments over here. Basically, a group of people that you could group together. For example, let's see here, like engaged 90 days. These are the people who have engaged with your emails within the 90 days. This is where they will be located at. You have here 60 days, 30 days, preview list, new subscriber, SMS subscriber, and newsletter over here. Then you have your content over here where you can choose your templates, products, image and brand, and analytics over here if ever you would like to see some analytics. Now let's go and create our first campaign and create our very first email marketing. So we're going to have to click on create campaign over here on the top right. And then as you can see, we have our email campaign. Our campaign name, let's name it to email marketing or email campaign. Let's just type it as campaign. And then you can select the date on when you would like it to be posted to, let's say 20. Then you have two types, or three rather. You have email, setup SMS, or push option over here. Actually, there's only two types. So let's click on email. Then you can select tags over here. And let's go and click on save and continue. After that, we will proceed to the next step. As you can see, we can create our campaign information and tags. You have your recipients over here. And right now we don't have any yet, so you could simply add them in your audience later on. So let's say I would like it to be sent to our different groups over here, like engage within 30 days and 90 days. And then you have your don't send to, which is optional. And also see here, skip recently emailed profile and estimated recipients over here. You will be able to see the data or how many people will receive the email that we will be creating. And you also have your tracking over here if ever you would like to have some tracking parameters. After that, we can click on continue to content. Then we will be redirected once again. And this is where we will be building the content for our campaign. And you have your subject line over here. Let's say welcome, our preview text, sender name or sender email over here. And you can also use this as your reply to address. And over here, how would you like your email to be designed? You could choose a drag and drop interface, a text only, or an HTML. The HTML is for those people who knows how to code, or if you already have a code for yourself, you could use this. But for beginners, I would suggest that you use drag and drop. You can also have some text only if ever you would like to have this. So let's click on drag and drop over here. Then we will be redirected and we could choose from all of these different email templates that you could use. As you can see here, you could choose from different template types. As you can see here on the left side, you have your basic layout, deals, confirmation, outreach, reminders, and sale over here. You could choose the corresponding template that you like. There is a lot of different options over here. Don't worry also, when you see the title, you don't need to follow the title. So for example, over here, let's check out our almost sold out over here. Let's open this. Click that, and you will be able to see a preview of your template. You can see it both in desktop and mobile. And you can use this as a template. Also, you could create a blank template, by the way, over here on the top right. And like I said earlier, you don't need to follow the title of the name. You could edit every single component of your email and turn it into something else. You don't need it to be a sold out type of email. To be able to edit your email, you can simply click on the specific components. As you can see, when you hover on the different components, it's going to have like an outline, a gray outline. And you can see the name of the component. So over here, we have this text over here. You can double click this and you will be able to see the text over here on the left side. Then you can change it to whatever you want. So depending on what information you would like to appear over here. You can also add your bold, italize, your usual paragraph formatting information over here, your font, your font size, and all of those information. You also have your display options over here. You will be able to view it in both desktop and mobile, or desktop or mobile only. You have your show and hide logic and content repeat over here. And you also have your header over here. You can double check this. You will double click. You will be able to see that this is a desktop layout where links and buttons appear. And you also have your mobile layout over here. And you can edit the content like the links. You can click this and you will be able to type in the address of the specific section over here. For example, the shop, you could enter the link for your shop, the about, the new, and the contact options over here. You could add a background if you want, and you could change the background of the text. Keep in mind, this is only for the text. The section is different. So let's remove that for now. And you can also see the links over here and more information over here, like the block color. You could change the block color by simply dragging the color over here, just like that. And we could turn it back just like that. And you can also edit the display options similarly with what we show you with the text over here. Now, if you would like to add elements, you could see it over here on the left side, the content. You have your text, image, split, button, header bar, drop shadow, horizontal rule, social link, spacer, product, and table over here. You could add the element to your page by simply dragging it, or rather your email, not a page. For example, I would like to add an image. I could click this, hold click and drag it into your email over here, and you will be able to add it. And then you could browse your image library over here. If you would like to delete a section, you can simply click on delete over here. Then if you would like to delete this, you can hover over it and then delete once again. And after that, you could go back here. You could check out the layout as well if you would like to have some layout for your email. And there's also universal content over here. Then for the style, you could choose the template background, the background image, all of this information that you could customize so that you can edit the appearance of your email over here. You can also view it through your mobile. As you can see, this is what it would look like on a mobile phone. And then you could review and test it out yourself. Now after this, you could save and exit. And that is the end of your campaign. That is how you will be able to add. That is how you will be able to create your campaign. Now you're simply going to finish up your extra details over here and click on continue to review. And let's see. Now it is ready to send. We could now click and schedule or send over here. It will also show you some recommendations on things that you would need to fix, and you could edit them once again. Then let's click on schedule and send. You could choose from schedule or send now option over here. Let's say send now, then click on send now, and then it will send our campaign that we have created to our audience that we have in our list. And as you can see, the email campaign is queued up and ready to be sent on July 19th at 7:30, which is now. And we can click on return to campaigns, and we will be able to see the campaign that we have created over here. There we go. The campaign, the type, status, last update, open rate, click rate, and all of those information that you might need. If you would like to delete your campaign, you can simply click on the three dots and you can click on cancel over here. You can also add the templates, clone, reschedule, preview, or view details over here. And that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to use Klaviyo for email marketing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe.